eyeshadow palette is one inevitable makeup item that has conquered the marketplace. It is quite hard to find the best one with great pigmentation, especially when it comes to brown or deeper skin tones. Most of the palettes available on the market are not suitable for brown skin because they do not give off that popping out look after blending. But fortunately, there are many brands which have come up with palettes that will fulfill your needs just the way you desire. So keeping your worries in mind, today's video we have rounded up the 5 best eyeshadow palettes which are perfect for brown and dark skin tones. Let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Achieve a bright multi-dimensional finish without any creasing with the McGrath Lab Mothership 2 Sublime Eye Palette. This eyeshadow palette has 10 different super saturated pigmented shades, among which 6 are super deluxe pressed eyeshadows that give you matte, pearl, and sparkling finishes, while the 4 modern and hybrid pigmented formulas give your eyes metallic, satin, iridescent, and holographic finishes. The eyeshadows have a creamy and soft texture, and they come with extreme blendability. The velvety matte intensity of this palette will provide you with a polished finish while ensuring emollient-like glide. This eyeshadow palette is favored by users as it is perfectly pigmented and blends quite well, but it also received negative reviews because of being overpriced. It's time to rate this product now. In terms of user acceptance and value, we gladly give it 5 stars, but it is quite pricey, so we'll give it 4 stars on that point. Our next pick for today is the Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette in Ruby, which you can easily pick for your brown skin tone. This palette comes with 9 different shades ranging from matte to shimmers. The shades are highly pigmented and they come with a smooth and blendable texture. The Ruby palette has 5 duochrome shades and 4 matte shades, and they offer you striking scarlet and raspberry tones. Additionally, the product is sulfate-free for your convenience. The Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette in Ruby is loved by its users as the product comes with vibrant colors which do not fall out. But besides that, a few users were disappointed with the palette. Moving on to the ratings. We absolutely appreciated the product for the value and price it comes with, giving it 5 stars on those. But in case of acceptance, it'll get 4 stars. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette is inspired by Renaissance art and will give your eyes subtle to dramatic looks according to your preference. This professional quality palette features 14 different shades which are fully pigmented and comes with an easy-to-blend formula. The eyeshadows deliver you with high color payoff while ensuring buildable intensity, and you will find both neutral and popping shades available for achieving any desired look. The palette has 1 satin, 2 metallic, and 11 matte finishes available, and it also comes with a dual-ended brush and large mirrors stored inside while being a travel-friendly option. Users on Amazon are in love with this eyeshadow palette as the pigmentation is great, and they also love the colors and blendability. But some users face different issues after using it. Let's check out the ratings now. We absolutely admired the quality and value of this product, so overall it'll get 5 out of 5 stars. Imagine your eyeshadow palette was inspired by the moon and the sun. Well, you don't need to imagine anymore, because Juvia's placed the Magic Mini Eyeshadow Palette does the job for you while ensuring perfect day and night looks. This palette contains 16 different shades which are high pigmented in nature. The colors are a mix of cool and warm tones, and they're ultra flattering to provide you with gorgeous and bold looks on the go. The shades are long wear and they blend so perfectly, just like the day blends into the night. So you can achieve perfect day-to-night looks with the help of this eyeshadow palette. Juvia's Place, the Magic Mini Eyeshadow Palette, is absolutely favored by users as it is perfectly pigmented and a great option for darker skin tone as well. But then again, some users complained the product came damaged. Let's take a look at the ratings now. We really like the palette for the quality and price it comes with, giving it a total of 5 out of 5 stars. Our top pick for today is the Urban Decay Naked Heat Eyeshadow Palette, which will help you to achieve fiery bold eyes just the way you want. This palette has amber-hued eyeshadow shades of 12 different shades. This palette is a mix of coppery mattes, metallic, and shimmers, which will enable you to achieve endless combinations. The colors are richly pigmented and velvety in texture as they contain signature naked formula, and they come with extreme blendability as well. This palette is a great option for every eye color and skin tone, and additionally, this cruelty-free product is paraben, sulfate, and phthalate-free for your convenience. The product also includes a double-ended vegan brush, so you can achieve great looks using warm browns to rich siennas quite effortlessly. This eyeshadow palette is admired by users as it comes with great colors and works great on every skin tone. But a few users were not really happy with their purchase. Time to check out the ratings now. We highly appreciate this product for its overall quality and value, giving it 5 out of 5 stars in total. So that was all about the 5 best eyeshadow palettes which are perfect for brown and dark skin tones. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.